Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mama Lou's Kitchen. I'm your host Angie Liu, and today's episode is on a vegan kimchi bokkeumbap or kimchi fried rice, but like you've never seen it before. Because I know you've seen or had this dish so many times, but once we make this fried rice, I have an extra special Mama Lou's twist where we create the most delicious crispy crust inspired by what Persians call tahdig, or bottom of the pot. Koreans call this Nurungji, and you will not believe how tasty and beautiful your kimchi bokkeumbap is going to be. Now here's what you're going to need.
1 cup of kimchi, 6 cups of cooked short grain rice, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of gochujang. You'll also need half an onion and 20 깻잎 or perilla leaves, washed and dried. You'll need an additional 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds for garnish.
Okay, so now that you've seen the ingredients involved, making the fried rice is the first step. Now, you can serve it just as is right after that, but to achieve that amazing crispy crust that I was telling you about requires a few extra steps. So let's get cooking.
Cut up your kimchi into 1-inch pieces. Dice up your onion. Then cut off the stems of your perilla leaves. Take half of your perilla leaves, roll them up 2 or 3 at a time, and julienne. Over high heat, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a large wok or pan and cook the onion, garlic, and kimchi for 5 minutes. Next, add your 6 cups of cooked short grain rice. Leftover rice is great for making fried rice with. Mix together thoroughly and add your 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and continue to mix together. I like to use 2 spatulas or wooden spoons when mixing my rice to really break it up. Add your gochujang and keep breaking up and mixing the rice together. Turn off the heat and fold in your julienne perilla leaves.
All right, everyone, our vegan kimchi bokkeumbap is now ready, and you can actually serve it just like this. Take a look, so delicious. But to make that extra crispy crust is going to take a few extra steps, and we are going to be using these guys. So let's get to it.
Bring out your favorite rice cooker. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of water and coat the bottom of the pot. Add your leaves upside down, 2 at a time, and spread evenly around the bottom of the pot. Your leaves should cover the sides of the pot also to create even more coverage. Use some additional cooking spray over the leaves. Next, add your fried rice and create a bit of a mound shape. Drizzle 2 more tablespoons of sesame oil over the rice, cover, and cook for 30 minutes.
Okay, everyone, our kimchi bokkeumbap is now ready, so let's get ready to plate it. You're gonna need a platter that's larger than the pot. So I'm gonna remove this lid first, okay, and then put the platter on top. Be very careful here. I'm gonna grab the cooker and flip it just like that. And center it. Ta-da! Guys, this looks so perfect and crispy. I'm just gonna garnish it a little bit with these 깻잎 or perilla leaves all the way around. Just spread it around like that. And add a touch right here on the top. And then I'm gonna add the sesame seeds all around too. And now I can't wait for us to cut into this. Doesn't this look amazing? Let's try it. Can you hear me crunching? It is so crispy, crunchy. The leaves are like crispy seaweed. The rice is spicy and delicious. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Pom Pom and I are so excited to share many more recipes with you. And if you ever have any questions, comments, or special requests, please feel free to reach out. Bye-bye now.